Imagine if you could access an AI tutor that's available 24/7, get your hands on free digital textbooks for every subject, enroll in professional-level courses from top universities, and browse through a massive library of research papers, all without spending a single dollar. Picture yourself typing up an essay and having a smart grammar tool instantly polish your writing, or tackling tough math problems with step-by-step online help that actually makes sense. Now add to that a suite of powerful design tools and creative software, all accessible online for free. Imagine having everything you need for school projects, presentations, and creative assignments right at your fingertips, no expensive subscriptions required. With just a few clicks, you can open multiple tabs filled with resources that make studying, designing, and learning easier than ever. The truth is, most students have no idea these incredible websites even exist. They end up struggling with outdated textbooks, feeling lost in the library, or missing out on the latest technology that could make their lives so much easier. But when you discover these hidden gems, it feels like unlocking secret cheat codes for school. Suddenly, learning becomes faster, smarter, and way more fun. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of 10 game-changing websites that can completely transform how you study, research, and create. These aren't just random links, they're the ultimate toolkit for any student who wants to get ahead. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because the last website on our list is a total game changer, one that most people have never even heard of but could seriously boost your grades and productivity. Whether you're aiming for top grades, looking to reduce your stress, or just want to make your study sessions more effective, these websites are your secret weapons. They'll help you work smarter, not harder, and give you the confidence to tackle any assignment. Hidden among millions of websites are tools designed to help you study smarter, write better, and build real-world skills that go beyond the classroom. Ready to level up your learning? Let's dive in and unlock the ultimate student toolkit together. First up is Khan Academy, your free 24/7 tutor for almost any subject you can imagine. Whether you're a high school student, a college learner, or just someone curious about the world, Khan Academy is always there for you, day or night, ready to help you learn at your own pace. Ever found yourself stuck on a tricky math problem or completely lost in a physics concept? Khan Academy is like having a patient teacher by your side, breaking down even the toughest topics into simple, bite-sized lessons. Their clear step-by-step videos make complicated ideas easy to understand, so you never have to feel overwhelmed or alone in your studies. The platform covers a huge range of subjects: math, science, history, economics, computer programming, and so much more. Everything is organized into easy-to-navigate modules, so you can quickly find exactly what you need, whether you're brushing up on algebra or diving into world history. One of the best things about Khan Academy is the freedom it gives you. Learn at your own pace. There are no deadlines, no pressure, and no rush. You can pause, rewind, or replay lessons as many times as you need until you truly understand the material. It's perfect for both fast learners and those who need a little extra time. But it's not just about watching videos. Khan Academy offers tons of practice exercises and quizzes that give you instant feedback. This means you can immediately see where you're excelling and where you need a bit more practice, helping you master concepts faster and more effectively. The personalized dashboard is another standout feature. It tracks your progress, shows you which skills you've mastered, and lets you set your own study goals. You can earn badges and rewards as you learn, making the whole experience feel like a fun, interactive game. If you're preparing for big exams like the SAT or GRE, Khan Academy has you covered with detailed, comprehensive test prep resources. These are completely free and designed to help you build confidence and improve your scores, all without the need for expensive tutors or prep courses. Teachers and parents can assign specific lessons and track progress, making it a fantastic tool for classrooms and homeschooling. But solo learners get just as much value. Khan Academy is perfect for independent study, letting you take control of your own education. And if you ever get stuck or have a question, the Khan Academy community forums are there to help. You can ask questions and get answers from students, teachers, and experts from all around the world, so you're never left without support. Whether you're reviewing the basics or challenging yourself with advanced topics, Khan Academy adapts to your needs. You can start with foundational lessons and work your way up to more complex material, all at your own pace. If you haven't tried Khan Academy yet, make it your go-to resource for your next tough assignment or when you want to learn something new. Just type in your question or topic, and you'll find a wealth of resources ready to help. You'll be amazed at how much easier and more enjoyable learning can be with the right tools. Give Khan Academy a shot. You might just discover a whole new way to love learning. Tired of paying for textbooks? Open Library is your answer. Access millions of books, including textbooks, online for free. Search by title, author, or subject and borrow digital copies instantly. Organize your reading with personal bookshelves and notes. Share lists with classmates for group projects or book clubs. Accessibility options mean everyone can learn their way. No more waiting for library holds or empty bookstore shelves. Sign up for a free account and start exploring. Your wallet will thank you. Have you ever dreamed of studying at world-renowned universities like Stanford, Yale, or even learning directly from tech giants like Google, but thought it was out of reach? What if you could access their courses for free, from the comfort of your own home? With Coursera, you can audit thousands of university-level courses without spending a dime. This means you can explore a vast library of subjects, taught by top professors and industry leaders, all at your fingertips. When you enroll in a free course, you'll get access to high-quality video lectures, comprehensive reading materials, and sometimes even assignments and quizzes to test your knowledge, all without any payment required. It's a fantastic way to experience real university content. Whether you're curious about a new subject, want to deepen your understanding in your field, or are looking to upskill for your career, Coursera's free courses are perfect for exploration and growth. The flexibility is unmatched. You can learn at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Whether you're on your laptop at home, using your phone during a commute, or studying late at night, Coursera fits your schedule. Plus, you're never alone. Coursera's discussion forums connect you with a global community of learners. Share ideas, ask questions, and collaborate with people from all over the world, enriching your learning experience. And if you find a course you truly love, you have the option to pay for a certificate. This official recognition can boost your resume or LinkedIn profile, showing employers your commitment to learning. The selection is truly massive. Whether you're interested in computer science, business, psychology, data science, arts, or even personal development, there's something for everyone. New courses are added regularly, so you'll always find fresh content to explore. For self-motivated students, Coursera's free courses are a game changer. You set your own goals, track your progress, and take charge of your education, all without financial barriers. So why wait? Browse the catalog, pick a course that excites you, and start your learning journey today. With Coursera, university-level education is truly accessible to everyone, everywhere. Writing essays, reports, or emails. Grammarly is your free, real-time editor. It catches typos, grammar mistakes, and awkward sentences as you write. Works everywhere. Google Docs, email, even chat. Get instant suggestions for clearer, more effective writing. Weekly reports show your progress and most common mistakes. Save hours editing and avoid embarrassing errors. Even the free version is powerful. Upgrade only if you want advanced checks. Try Grammarly on your next assignment and see the difference. Need credible sources for your research? Google Scholar is your shortcut to millions of scholarly articles, books, and papers. Search by keyword and get peer-reviewed sources ranked by relevance. Instantly copy citations in MLA, APA, or Chicago style. Save articles to your library and set up alerts for new research. Find free versions of articles, even if you hit a paywall. Use the Cited By feature to discover related research. Works for every subject, from science to literature. Google Scholar is essential for serious research. Bookmark it now. Math homework? Wolfram Alpha is more than a calculator. It solves, explains, and teaches. Enter any equation, from basic math to advanced calculus, and get step-by-step solutions. Use it for statistics, chemistry, engineering, and more. Analyze data, plot graphs, and generate visualizations in seconds. Perfect for checking homework or understanding tricky concepts. Packed with examples and templates to help you get started. The mobile version is just as powerful. It's like having a math genius in your pocket. Free. Meet ChatGPT, your AI-powered study partner. Ask it to explain tough concepts, summarize chapters, or quiz you for exams. Get fast, clear answers tailored to your level. Use it to create outlines, timelines, or checklists for projects. It can help with math, language learning, coding, and more. Be specific with your questions for the best results. Use it as a springboard, always double-check facts. Free versions are available on OpenAI and other platforms. Try ChatGPT and see how AI can speed up your learning. Memorizing facts or vocab? Quizlet turns studying into a game. Create custom flashcards or use millions made by other students. Study with adaptive modes, practice quizzes, and fun games. Spaced repetition helps you remember what matters most. Track your progress and challenge friends to study competitions. Mobile-friendly for studying anywhere, anytime. Share sets and collaborate on group projects. Quizlet makes memorization fast, fun, and effective. Need to design a presentation, poster, or resume? Canva makes it easy. No design skills required. Choose from thousands of templates and customize with drag-and-drop simplicity. Access a huge library of free images, icons, and charts. Collaborate in real time with classmates on group projects. Save your brand colors and fonts for a consistent look. Download in multiple formats or present directly from Canva. Share links or print your creations for real-world use. Stand out with polished professional designs. Fast. Canva is your secret weapon for looking like a pro. And finally, the last website on this list is so powerful it almost feels unfair. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, calendars, wikis, and project management. Everything you